Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're discussing one of the most secure ways to store your cryptocurrency, Ledger wallets. If you're looking to protect your digital assets from online threats, stick around as we walk through how to use Ledger wallets for secure crypto storage. What is a Ledger wallet? A Ledger wallet is a hardware wallet that stores your private keys offline, keeping them safe from hackers. With models like the Ledger Nano X or Ledger Nano S Plus, you can securely store Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide range of other cryptocurrencies. Setting up your Ledger wallet. 1. Unbox and connect. Unbox your Ledger device and connect it to your computer or smartphone using the USB cable or Bluetooth. 2. Install Ledger Live. Download the official Ledger Live app from the Ledger website or App Store. This app allows you to manage your wallet, add accounts, and track your crypto. 3. Initialize your wallet. Power on the device and follow the instructions to set it up as a new wallet. Choose a secure PIN code. 4. Write down the recovery phrase. The device will display a 24-word recovery phrase. Write this down carefully and store it in a safe place. This phrase is the only way to recover your funds if your wallet is lost or damaged. Hashstar. Adding accounts and cryptocurrencies. 1. Open Ledger Live. Once your wallet is set up, open Ledger Live and connect your device. 2. Install apps for coins. In the Manager section, install the apps for the cryptocurrencies you plan to store, e.g. Bitcoin, Ethereum. 3. Add accounts. Go to the Accounts section and add the respective accounts for your chosen coins. 4. Transfer crypto to your wallet. Use your Ledger wallet's public address to receive funds. Always double-check the address before transferring any crypto. Sending and receiving crypto. To receive, copy your wallet's public address from Ledger Live and share it with the sender. To send, connect your wallet, enter the recipient's address and amount, and confirm the transaction on your Ledger device. Security best practices. 1. Never share your recovery phrase. If anyone gets access to your recovery phrase, they can steal your funds. Keep it private and secure. 2. Verify addresses. Always verify the receiving address on your Ledger device to avoid phishing scams. 3. Regularly update firmware. Keep your Ledger device's firmware up to date for the latest security features. 4. Avoid screenshots or digital copies. Never store your recovery phrase on a computer or cloud service to prevent hacking risks. Ledger wallets are a powerful tool for safeguarding your crypto investments. By following these steps and security practices, you can rest easy knowing your assets are protected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.